Messianic Fifth Salvation Assembly and Amoti and Kain, when Yankupon on Massam at the Ebrebo. Now, Nigamono, now a year, the Gabu own Kahanamono, Taifa Mr. J is one of Honoma, and I would me at Yanka, El Honomo, Jesus Generation School, no, H1 Manasim Pono Franco Estate, with me at Yanka, Franco Estate, ACP, Franco Estate, is one of Honoma, Robert Yanka, Honoma, be to me. I was a Temanso, Committee 5. Children parking so Ubehuya El Honomo. Sanso and the media get no say Ubu a year as in Bisa person near 2 and among person here to the quine. Jumedia crampon so opesa or so ya senate na Eboa Quemo Aquaniasa in Yemo. Yakai T4 say number 0247 947812 0247 947812 0247 947812 and 0273 568777 0273 568777 audio pitchings ni bi e ho no mo a 0247 line no WhatsApp messenger esanso WhatsApp so ye be send o na ultimate bi your audio teachings is about Christmas and so no be free buy say any presem no no ni na mo no nsa ebetumi akabi ohana because studio 2 na mama Mike Chiba for akwa Mike akwaba
pastor
na boko de
obada ya we na
na de ya chepa we de yenchi ado fusimane emu mpaye na fi
influence check say nkoma ye OZFM etifu nyina ana bionso ye ya masonfo ye prebota ya bakwa ye danko ya sha masha ya basumde ni nyina intana amen
amen we eye asemo a Mike Chiba for ede atuja na emu no ye mpaye na infrase
ini da so na ekwanche for na otumeli na ye eda wasi you can food in children na mesele dey so eda wasempa ebre OZFM etifu na omanga na nyina
amen
esra wasemo ahodi otumi mu na mo asempa no so gugu asaseko wona otini na mo wo ya be wo chiri kwan so hwe wo chiri kwan de be no nyankwa de mo kra we ni esra o ade papa ya shram ze de muti amen
amen yeda twedi ampo Nyankopon asibebrebe abusiafo nanom Wednesday no Jumadie you know every Sunday 7 p.m. Wednesday so 7 p.m. sa na yede ebrewo na Wednesday na yedi nkomo fa kwan a wasam no mienu se ade bi enye Nyankopon akwan ene Yesu ahyede a yewe ye ne amfa ya ho anhyem ade a de wo mu edema ewiase because 1 John chapter 2 verse number 15 me pa chaw yenti asem bi sima Nyankopon nkonkron nam ton so editu yemfo said the beya ye behunu kokobo a ewo sa ade we mu pato kan ne hade
1 John 2 verse 15
Bible kasa
eti bono wiase
eti Nyankopon do ma mezia na honhom asem no nyina se yenhwe yi ene ya no sa ewiase we
anase no me wo wiase
anase enema de ba de ewo wiase me pa chaw ye kan se me no wiase anase enema ewo wiase a enye se bia mobile phone na was so anase bia sika wo hanu manas da bi nemum no kokoba ho ne say sika fam no mesika ni brang de bay emu abrabum say the Hebrews 13 verse 5 ne kan ye no ana wo paade bi nyanso onya no woten ne kwan so say the Jeremiah 17 verse 11 ne kan ye no nemum no say Bible ne ka say men no wiase a ana ne me wo wiase a wo tra say eniema a ewo wiase we no eye bonefo no etumi odi edi ni wiase we se ne so no emu nseseye ewiase dom ewiase dressing ewiase kasa ewiase policy ewiase nyuma etie Nyankopon asade no ene Nyankopon elbe kokko efi se 1 John 5 verse 19 no ewiase we yetimu no leadership no endi kan ade
1 John chapter 5
enu nti no say eno eniema wo wiase because the odi wiase de so no eye bonefo kan ade
1 John 5 verse 19
Bible kasa
wasi yenim se
enti John si yenim se
every when Nyankopon
dai de ye fritedi ampo Nyankopon
na so wiase nyina da obonefo nim
ewiase nyina da hwan mu
obonefo nim
mo enti obonefo no ena ewiase we nyina eda ne mu eni se wode dressing eba wiase a ebe ye de be favor ono obonefo na kwan se wode nyum eba wiase a ebe favor de ye obonefo na kwan se wode worship bi ntutuye bi anase nhye bi eko wiase a de be favor nyan obonefo na de ena ewiase we niema no a e favor ewiase no Hey, Hebrew chapter, James 4 verse 4 can say, "Wow, be you so we are done for no. When you go upon the body, a town for I didn't because a reasi etten and go pon. It's bonnet 40% of a reasi to me so. I'm a no me and the coin and go upon town for. Now at the Isaiah 6 verse 6 no. Yanko pon and Messiah will attach to Mudemono. Or Betiana town for soka. It is a bobra, not a brana yabono. You could be bonnet 40. Emma, ye new money bonnet for the quiet pet near Cosorite and go pon. A very channel. Menu me no, your baby and go pon town for. Sabi Fred John 2 verse 15 to 17 can say, Mamma no riasi, na so obi do riasi a, dane don ye dey, entini mu. Na nyame don ti mu na say, Onyankopon etan e na eben wo. Kan ha de.
Isaiah 66. Verse number 6.
Yema Bible kasa.
Asimuntie o.
Gentie.
Eni bi firi kuro ni mu.
Eni bi efiri kuro ni mu.
Na eni bi so firi asori fie o.
Eni bi firi Nyankopon ya we na sori fie.
Awurade o tia na tafo ni na so ka no mi.
Awurade a otia na tamfo ni yeso ka de ba de. A voice. Na kire say Nyankopon wo tia na tamfo de ba de. Eso ka. Anu nsem no mienu se be Nyankopon tamfo a na kire say akatua bone da ho Nyankopon tamfo no. Bone for pese yenso yekomu bi. Ewiase e na hokwa. Anu nti e na wo say extra careful. Because bonefo e demand worshiper was ye dema Nyankopon no bonefo the percent sa worship no ye dema ono bonefo no timne be atwa mu no ye teaching about pagan worship me pacho bonsam de ma be ya bonsam nyina na say o person ka aisru ho no mpo no osuma dema Nyankopon no na anka o person we de ba de waje sabie Isaiah chapter 14 verse 12
Isaiah 14
ewiase we ya bonefo na form the kingdom e wo ha na bonefo no ewuru said Ephesians 2 verse 1 kan ye say bonefo no to me adwuma wa so de maso Ephesians 6 verse 10 to 13 no e kire yen say enye ne hona ne moja na enya ya ne mpanyini ni tumidie ane wiase sumu de ba de etumfo ene ahompone a ewo soro ho enti ya wo bonefo to me a edi ewiase we say so na bonefo pese wo de ne sum si ho na enipa di akire atu Nyankopon de ntotwene ti bra sister sa wo ti say ya say enche say uhe TV utie radio say BBC say Ghana television say deno wo be hu say TV so asesa even TV kwa logo kwa everybody asesa so ko banking hall and office bia decoration ewo office on no a change e tra wo say wo mu ade bia sombo enam kwan so eba but ade ba ko say Nyankopon say yema warning say hwe no obi angeden anada sada Yesu kan Matthew 24 verse 4 tie Bible had it
Isaiah 14 verse 12
Bible kasa
then office Russia
enti obonefo no de ye obeye obonefo no me pato na Nyankopon ade Babylon ahantan ade compare de obonefo fa so a obeye obonefo a na hantan wie no obeye fallen angel no sa na Babylon kingdom no so na wono so ye Nyankopon so ahwe ya obebra na se enti wo se won so kwai
then office
Russia dan eno obonefo no efiri Russia se obi ananka wo ye ensroma senefo ade tieba Nyankopon ya we etwa obonefo no hwefom
wo bra na maya se
wonu no ye debei bra sister bonefo no na de ne se ombra enipa ewo amanaman nyina se ndi so to the kingdom of this world wonam so ade bra enipa ewo wiase no ase na de be ya obahwe ase na waye obonefo na pede eno na Paul etum numere nyina fo ewo 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 12 said the any so ogina ho no wo hwe no anyada because bonefo no nitiri mpone se opese wo bra enipa ewo wiase ase ti Peter etu yemfo ewo 5 Peter 5 verse 8 say yama yeni na ho na yenwan efiri se ye tafo bonsam nam se jata wo de be obubom eti ekwan biara bonefo beso faso enyam no mienu nya bedi obonefo na chi no obefa so ebe na Nyankopon bofo ewo December 14 verse 6 to 9 no me pa cho men kan last Wednesday na yedi hu nkomo Nyankopon de na bofo nso agu krom se yenka ne nse mpama nipa enim se Christmas eya bosonsom enipa eninim de se bonefo no de ne worship na asi wono mu a ene sade Bible mu sun worship no a ne birthday eye 25th December no na Persia metra krona oba Persia ye friend no metra no oba eye Roma omo friend no Jupiter no sun god year ne da eye 25th December eba bedura enya nruyempo ewiase nyina eye warm up ade Asia no bonefo no worshiper opese ewiase nyina no esom ebi eno no edi se wo de hu semu a eyade a wo de hu ahye Satan worship mu tie ne ye no kwasam ne ye ka kyerɛw because one bonefo no o asade o osom o wahenie ɛna ɔno bonefo no na nko percent kesere wo mpo wadi nyankopɔn ahenie ne kura boso wo de tie bible
Isaiah 14 verse 12.
It's a den of free swahili. It's a den of free swahili. And so much for. And the tieba. Was it what chow at the wash from? Well, Bre Amanamade body. As a quay. Now, or no obone for it. What can obey a certain in a new or can Nakuma say? And can or suru and over through acro. Or two for Yanko Yahweh. Na queen wanted to fit on and over my conya sakakusi. Now, what's not a sabe poneso? A TV film assassin so quay. Or Befro Akomunum Communison Sobia. Or Ben said about it. Or Ben said about it. But the woman said, Aqua intimacy in Ura. And a body intimate or body and your pet. But Obia or your body, a body and on a body and a baby, see Isaiah chapter 29 verse 16. A body as soon to minute or body any see because Psalm 104 verse 4 no Yankopon would ja and the yen above what I was sorrow. But about 4% will not try say on a body and be see Canada.
Isaiah 29 verse number 16.
Yenti Bible.
Was Moses see no material.
Enti wasi and nipa to see any material say.
Obu anyonfo se dotie.
Obu anyonfo se dotie.
Na ayode aka che ne yofo se.
Na ayode wa wo ye abode no wa ka che de oba wo ne se.
Enyo no na ye ame.
Enyo na ye de ba de. Enti etsetu ate we efiri bonefo ne mu. Ana wama aseta adade e wo wiase nyina. Enti na bonefo amanipa ya hunters level say tinya Yankopon de mama won so menye de bay omumpe won ma wura Yankopon de ba won so menye de bay omumpe won ma no kala won so omumpe just say omu change everything bible no kire say
Moses no material
yes see ne material say
obu anyonfo se dotie
anwene no ye bu onyonfo se orumom aye dotie
na ayode aka che ne yofo
na de wa wo ye nipa no wa ka kire wo yofo ne say
enyo no ye
ayampa because we make up we are different from our natural face na Yankopon de ma no nti said ya wotie in makeup no nya sa na Yankopon ye de be ebo wo
na anyone so ka kire ne onyo
na anwene na ka kire de onyo no ne say
said ya wo ye mi die
said ya wo ye ne die he
menim de
onimu de je wo mu ne eti bonefo na hantan a oni Yankopon de asie no eno a ene ne yin so ebinum ene Yankopon de die asie Isaiah 45 verse number 10 wo de tie bible eti menum mienu bonefo ni demand worship bi yes I worship no what free emblessant de adwuma no ache na okay second Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 3 going na what now say ye wo mrato hintasam a at that time na e fra say de be e ye adwuma ye ka say hintasam a ade no asie but I am mrato hintasam eni so bi ka kire say Christmas a wadi no 15 years 20 years ne nyina ya abosonsom a ade wa wo pa no kora na be hwemu ye hu sampa bonefo da wache because this 12 verse 9 say bonefo na da one or two years nyina it no one that say we suffer for hide about there that na kan pesa wa so ba who dey bible
Isaiah chapter 45 verse number 10
bible kasa
de o ka che just say
and now we dey free sabre yiko asofo akese propaganda pastors e be shase abe church Christmas celebration mu but the woman say Christmas onye Yesu awoda from Genesis to Revelation obi timi ko tu baby awu Yesu say date wey because say ye di awodam po no me say o ma Yesu birthday mpa one limit in the power tiye me wiele ma ko to atro say sa o ka say Yesu e wo age wo mai o di Yesu ba age famu a one limit in the power I typically insult adi ma Yesu so o ka chen say o age ye tie ni ye pa o da kan me wiele ma be che o di ntia o ma Yesu mpo age mpo say o ya say ya ebra di free so ba asase so na ba asase so no eyesoma na yesoma no
yes
me pato yesoma free nkran kokumase ya time adi kokumase na kire say washase
dabi
yesoma na say free nkran na kwa tamale na free nkran kodu tamale bia mfa say nyamopon ya dema wo chena na kire say nti ade a che no ena ade ba wiase dabi bible say yebo Yesu mpo ansa na nyakopon yo Yesu ansa na wo ba ye ade mpo ya de calculate days and nights
yes
Tirie, etuti fa Yesu compare this ho. Why higher and holier than that. If I told the can have na.
Isaiah 45 verse 10.
Yenti Bible.
Enti do ka che just say.
Enti ha What the kind verse 9?
Verse 9.
It's the Bible. Was it the on the new Friday body? Eham. Or say, wow, when they were known for him, a family chain from when your day. Like as a wow, when they were known for 8 years on your day. And I bonnet for you, yeah. I go really know me and because on you, our bonnet for no yabon some. When you were born, no, 8 for your 8 years. 7 and Uncle Ponka Israel for our Hosea chapter 13, verse number 9. And to be better than Uncle Ponsi A. Usi Oba Yesu nche sa konfumpu na akọ ne nchenya wo ye sure sa okọ aduro so a wo na abekire amamra obeyama bosom no ana bosom na abekire de ope na kaka senka de okogi sikaduru a oku ne maami ku ne papa ku ne nua nka de pa no because de tumi ne de ba de demand wo ba nyankopon nchenya wo be kam feeling say ai na ya bosonsom wo busa ai osofo mensa otabela wagitum say ya bosonsom Pentecost chairman wagitum say ya bosonsom Catholic panyini from Pope adibesi cardinal adibesi archbishop adibesi father omunya wagitum say 25th December ne origin ai de ba de ai ya bosonsom Catholic for no one encyclopedia new version the Catholic encyclopedia o ma kire mu dia ya Christmas de be ba ye se na ya bosonsoma de na mum o mo fai e de ba Yesu mu telie eti me na o kasa o president panyi gitum say Christmas 25th December na ya bosono me de be e de ma no sa de we uwa wutie me o sofo gitum say na ya bosonsom na mum o ka o mo say na yen na ye de ayama Yesu who gave you that authority telie when the man said to me no Romans chapter 1 verse 16 na ka say Nyankopon adwuma no wo ka say obitia na yen say de ope din ka John 1 verse 11 no kransa hwe nyame ma wutum authority when the yambrasefo edin kan in the first place ye wiya ba be kan de wo yam de wotumi say o semra say ye ya ma urade na Nyankopon asam a ode ama asofu pangiri ya wutie me no me pa cha wo de church members na wie and the members na twempna chalo to win sa center the bonne and ko ye ho adwuma sai na o ye de ya ma urade na me asoma onsoma na me asoma onsoma wo de tie Bible
John 1 verse 11
Bible kasa
so ba ono na diem
just say men kan kire say oba ono ani diem
na wona ya ono ara ndi na anyi no
wana wa ye ndi na anyedai wa anyedai wo mu anye no na yemusa se Messiah no amusim wudi na woda na me say wo ka say wo birthday mpa wa limit ne power verse 9 as well verse 11
verse number 9
tie adanse a John die kwai
John 1 verse 9
Bible kasa
so the cry high srema woni pa bia
Yesu no wono na 1 John 1 verse number 3 go in catch and say we Yankopon han and we say no kura han na eba ewiase no kwai
no kasa wo ho
wono no kura han no a John 9 verse 5 no Yesu kan say me wo wiase me li wiase de ba de han no sa no kura han no e wo ho kwai
no na ereba wiase
na sa no kura han no e na ebe de be ebe wiase kwai
o wiase dada
why dai
o wiase dada
why dai
o wiase dada
me say so did the birth of Christ ebra Mary yinsen no ade ye Yesu asase ya wa limit na ka say bafo Gabriel kwa enyi Yesu ho bafo Michael kwa wa grade na chen Yesu Bible say men kan kire wo say na o wiase de ba de dada me u de tie Bible
na empo
and
am no so wo ye wiase no
and am no so de de be e just say ye nya mo wiase no mpo na me si an de ba de tin na begusam 8 verse number 22 can say enya ono no emna wonya nhye kokko kuraase no na wo Nyankopon nche se de ba de doba eni so ka say Yesu no ja wo ye wiase ade nkwana ne so ne fa e bo wiase empo enya wiase nkwa ne fa Yesu bo yo okay John 1 verse 1 na we say wan kwetilu anya bibia o de be eni se atiase ya Psalm 104 verse 4 ka say Nyankopon adi woda ye na bofo na kire say wan kwete Yesu anya de be kan Colossians 1 verse 15 no man ha de
Colossians chapter 1 verse number 15
Yesu awoda di ehfa na Yesu na mu bae 33 years a obedi ye e wa asase so ehfa na Yesu ebu ba ko pempo odi na woda ehfa na America say odi Yesu awoda die no enya part of Nyankopon pom nsese yes edi so ba hwe awoda die kura ho asem a eye Herod and Joseph sorry Herod and Pharaoh o mienu pe no Bible mu eye record say wo mu di o mu celebrate o mu birthday the part of Herod oyo girini
Dabi
Pharaoh oyo girini
Bosonsomnia
ni a ofri Egypt Nyankopon adom ene o ma ni nya Joseph enya adom e wo nanim ye be wie ni akotu di akyerew empo that day no mpa o mu di o mu awoda no mpo no o mu nyina kum nipa
BBC
obi akunkum nipa but kan ha dem nia
Colossians 1:15
eti yesu no so ka say ne birthday try 25th December me say what ka say what number from kan ha there
Colossians 1:15
yeah my Bible akasa
was Christo nara no ye Yakopon wo hu ni suban
ye wi am we history.com omo documentary history.com omo anything about history omo nya did it first I am kwasi adafo ye bia but no kura woman omo ya omo ade wo history mo no omo waka
yes
na bo omo film documentary about Christmas udo obedi akodi ba emfa yesu di ye de ben e mata ho jiwanim say oh some boss we devil worshiper
yes
we nya bia ya be wada because of the ada wa che o ya we so say emfiri Nyankopon but baby efiri ya mo ohunu because Daniel chapter 11 no verse number 31 go you know o ma ya de bi say emre ne be kwa na wie yi a empo history be sa repeat it ho ya de ba ya ebinu ma ni Nyankopon krofo bi nya nimdie no na ne be kwa wie so a history be sa repeat it ho
yes
the salim de ne ka kyerɛw wo de kan ha de munia Daniel 11 verse number 32 going
Daniel chapter 11 verse number 33
dem Bible nkasa
o say now many mu wona wonim de no
Bible say ekoba ne say enada dwumadie sɔde tia no koro no a wo se wo man ni mu no
wona wonim de no
wo mo Nyankopon adom wo mo nim di e wo nyame asem no
ebe mani pa bebre nya hunumu
won be ye dai
won be mani pa bebre nya hunumu
won be mani pa bebre enya de ba de enti Nyankopon de adom ache na adom ye na o se ye ma no koro no MP a Bible say enada ne omutum futo ligu ni pani a Christmas ye de Yesu di atoso nti wo dwen se wo ya ma awurade ne nso eye wiase nyame bosom kase san God metra ya Rome for fan Jupiter na Greece for fan Zeus na Egypt for fan Horus no na woda kase e na eba bodu 25 December Bible say edru hwa oman ni mu no
wona wonim
wana Nyankopon adom mo nim de no
ebe mani pa bebre nya hunumu
adwuma no nti ye be mo ahunu kwa de ba de ewo mu nanso wo mu a wo be mani bebre anya hunumu no hwe de da ho no mo nanso
wo mu pi betoton kranta
wo mu ya de ba de
pi betoton
yes ba ye na wo ye ne because of no korekantia because kasa out no kon come de ba de jentia Peter wu ye no aye no korekantia yes nti this 2 verse 9 to 10 say di no korekosi de ba de owuo mu tie ni ye pa enti adwuma ma wo ba bia wo bia wo tra so no kra ba ye adwuma ho ba ye de ho ba ye wo de pa police adwuma na wo ye no sai say wo de na kra nkwa na ba ye adwuma na tie dia wo colleagues ne be ka tro wo de hospital no try say wo de no kradie ane obuo ne nyamesuo na ba ye adwuma na tie dia be ka tro sa wo de o se wo ba ye adwuma bi na de no kwadie ba ya be ka tro say Ghana nya wo de yo aban adwuma ye de si abati emfa ngede be enso a we can buy na me de chen de so we achi me di chen t-shirt we be ya forget na now na be your man na said that the job be eat what you can do and eat what you can eat and do what you can do what the kind to us me ready it was say e basa o man ni mu no one mom ye de ba de
na o man ni mu no wana wonim
de no
ebe mani pa bebre nya hunumu
aba mani pa bebre anya hunumu nanso
wo mu pi betoton kranta
no kure ne kaya ya papa enti Isaiah 59 verse 13 no sege no kwa na ahwe ase obadwom a enka Christmas kora ni se be preaching one asem kire anye no kwa na ahwe ase a ya me kan kire wo se Christmas emfiri nyame na me pa na wo he Christmas emfiri nyame obi e Bible no mu wo hwe Christmas so
ebi ni ho
wo hu ba bia Yesu aka se modom a muni mawoda
ebi ni ho
wo hu ba bia Yesu aka se yen celebrate eda owo yawo no
da bi
enka nya no kwa na ahwe ase obadwom a enka Christmas in property impono enka Christmas ye nim say we as a 4 dia but they see your history 4th century AD ade ya bosontonfo ade no to deceive the whole world and Christianity no yemfa na Yesu din bata ho akwa se makoto nkuraduro ewo ayimu konkom na me pese me deceive unti no mako one mark logo I drink milk and I pick milk. Now the logo na there e dia fa ho. To the fact say me the I drink milk logo e dia bo enkwadu no kire say die bomu no enye nkwadu ana. At the fact say Roman fo no tetefo no ene aso ne ya adwene baako efra sofo panyimfo pollutu womu ese yamfa bosom so mfa mewura nyamesum no a womu de Yesu akata bosom no se ye ya ma Yesu abra ehuma mamre nyina te se abosom so na be pem me pa chaw asembisaw eno kire se Yesu de wo ba Yesu mu a Yesu na kire o de ye ma no Denti a wo ba Yesu ma wo bo asuo no pata e wa na do peka so wo bo asuo Denti ni say e wo Bible yes sir enu ti Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 2 just say any Bible ni me mfa nyede be me mfa mem me bu Psalm 30 verse 6 to say me mfa bi nyede ba de enka ho afede asem bio calculate 115 afede asem bio enti no kura na ahwe ase me ma ko to Isaiah 59 verse 13
Isaiah 59
no kura na ahwe ase obadom nti and I'm a Christmas preaching a topic for discussion. Me say as of for your propaganda pastors or over Bible mo Elijah time our 1 Kings chapter 18. What if you 1 Kings chapter 16 cry banwa? The woman say bosom kasia ba ya wonu ane sa san God ya onu ane birthday and ekoso because aya bosom ba ko ba bia wo bia ne din ane be de akose Nyankopon obi friend ma obi friend God obi friend Jawa obi friend say it depend dia wo de be de with be friend but it the same supreme being na and na wo boni din it the same thing and bosom ba ko but bia nipa ni free na be che din on fanye de be on fa man but it the same ade kro no a ti hayi wo de kan hade
Isaiah 59.
No kura na ahwe ase obadom nti de wom ne se osofo na wutua tight de ma no kura no anya tai on kan kyerɛw joba ka kyerɛ wa ne se ade de ni Bible mu de ba se obadi defend ade a any Bible e be wi na ko to akyerɛw na men se wo de ma Nyankopɔn ani Nyankopɔn ya adom wo tena Quarter Bank of Ghana office ana Ghana commercial bank yɛmfa odwuma ko yɛdwuma ko Ghana ni se possible sa de a ana sa de nche ko ma Asami police station no ase police atade no ko petu mi na ko tanse ko koye adwuma ye mfa wadwuma o ma Asami police station a ultumi ye de bay anya adwuma o ye mfa wadwuma e wo Fanko police station ultumi ko ye de bay na de Nyankopon de kwa de won fra ko so ma ko ba butu ma bay nyama adwuma na meti ne ba bi wase ma be kan won sempa waso ma
onso ma
o ka Matthew 10 verse 1 and Luke 10 verse 1 na o si dumi na ye to fra wo e hye wo ye wo masomafo na wa na ye wo sa okay, Galatians 1 verse 11 going in. Bible next say, and 1 Corinthians 1 verse 1 going. But say, or small Paul, ni do me that word na enam ni penyansa so. E Nyankopon dem to me, aye no sampakani. One e frɛ. Who the Bible?
Isaiah 59.
Bible nkasa.
Verse number 13.
Say na mesom na koye bonefo na woye bonefo no. Ne tu kase a wo use aye nkontompo propaganda nada. Eti eno an odi ewie nipa wo wiase. Eti obusa asofo about Christmas only any option bia than said to deceive you. Obeka asemiamo ekuru akoma. Oh ni nyina no ekusi ho a. Oh ni nyina say at least so you know na eye wiase de ba ye na ye say. Ye na ye say. Ehon na wo so wu say o ka say ye na ye say a. Osanka 4:3 verse 14 see nim say de Nyankopon aye na na be de be. E betra no da. One na say wo say man. The Yelma Kotu, the what to miss was Samara. What the kind of had it?
Isaiah 59 verse 13.
A Christmas week. What the message young one now be no more airborne. Young more wood in airborne. And yet I want now who be in airborne. Yes. And Yakukwana Bekun airborne young pound. But the Americans say, and Saturday then one more. Any ever Christmas demo. Man, ya Chadian and man, Chadian so ever Christmas demo.
Yes.
I Chadia and your bonnet. But mama Chadia in the name of Christmas, I was on some Hebrews 13 verse 16 say you any at the check. Mama in your bay and passo. Into that be out to me at doye. Man try Mother's Day, no your mamma doye. Man try Father's Day, no your papa Sa Father's Day, Mother's Day, no dark we don't come in I. Sa son God here within the birthday yarn. Ne mamma, ne papa. Or Munya so rafi dua or mu celebrate and but ya kasa ya boss when mama de yanka won yin tebe kasa Mother's Day as if said ya wo mama dabi ya da why de be a che sana this 12 verse 9 kan na dwuma ne so be da de nipa ti wiase nyina wan sa kira manya me mo do akọ say yemu kan ne ha de me
Isaiah 59 verse 13.
Yema Bible nkasa.
Ya to Awurade mra twa ne konto.
It was say nipa to Nyankopon bra de ba de. Na nya nkontopo na wiase atwa 25 December Yesu awoda. Na nya wiase pa na atwa nkontopo pa to Yesu so a. Enka 25 December Yesu ahye se ye fa na awoda. Na de waka krasa kai homeda na ne kronkonpo no bra de oba mumpo asembisa wudi so. De waka no say kai din kan remember mpo and also rafi. Malaki 4 verse 4 was a monka makwa mosembra me share no horrible and they also rafi. I don't remember the age no edin kan wo so rafi but the one kai and the okay. I see a Tony my decree. Me say what be kind First Kings one ma sa ba na your ba na edinfo and I like to see young player with the body a deal Sana Rebelmati, Obiti, I saw them, San never bar a software, and you young upon their body. I saw for, empty, oh, you are software. Nasa, what church Christmas, away a bar software. Yes, because bar bosom Cassia San God the barn. What church and what they said, now what that year, a just said what an software in the messenger. Yes, Malaki 2 verse 7, one can say, I was a software no calling dear. Near pet and breathulum, if the one before no. It is a whole preaches at the Wabosom Bala, where am I software? Bar software. Into your Bible, your bad deal for, and your bar software. And you were to employ our deal for, and you know, pass off for a Mujan Fanano. Yanko pass of one preacher said, Nipan conquer some bosom, my dear, ya a year 25 December bosom. Put the Bible in Cadi. I say, and in quantum ponti and away costs a caradi. Yatu Yanko Pombra and Contum. And I met the party I saw them, but to a pen Yanko Pond their body. Etty. It's a Nipa Cassancha, Swan, Cassa Yam from so their body, Cassa. That be a year to swat through some hour Yakumamu. Near say ye pay. We did me say the Obomo are soft for the TV radio so. Now I said 25 December, yes, I would die. Can BBC be promoted? Can CNN be promoted? Share. The Marcus and we are still young upon. Nana say Al Jazeera, Echi Ghana man paying na kufuado. Eko si Al Jazeera program so. One question Busan. Or Busan question say, I didn't know homosexual still any illegal legal Ghana. Nampa to homosexual. Illegal Ghana. A boy I'm not a some. The other thing Al Jazeera pushing na kufuado say they wonder why homosexual as of now any legal Ghana. Now Berman for Berman or bound for Obano. A boy I'm not bonsam. Now they all promote to homosexual. I will BBC in Al Jazeera no. Or no say promote to Christmas celebration. My wife you made their body and now. Okay, say Sunday worship every Yamia. A career sing in that ever get to me say. One word religion, young fan question Sunday. Oh, sure. Me say, John chapter 15, verse 17 to 19. Bible says, "Man say, a rease ta Yesu." And this a rease ta Yesu a rease e kasa ye di ade be ma Yesu abusa Yesu kuro. Yes. 2 Corinthians 11 verse 4, verse number 4. Ya abusa Yesu kuro because o ma ye counterfeit Yesu. By Yesu ayeso no de enyankopon ya wodoba kuro. Ofin Nazareth, what in it, Moja, Abati, but we any unfair different years to be on Pintam and Adao. And one conquer some person as if so was more ready. Kara de Minia. 2 Corinthians chapter 11, verse number 4. Yamaba Mukasa. Now, so maybe I can use for problem once. May say 25th December, I saw bars off one never preaching. May so be a pretty boy Christmas be a moose or a bars off. Yes. Me who say we a bars off, who you did for I a bad, your body. Because I a bar worship. The same bar worship as ancient Mesopotamia. I was Babel, Nimrod, and I had the founder of it. On a Bonsam Juma. What kind of Genesis chapter 10 day by chapter 11 or what we are saying, Yano said, Yentia Chefentin and Copon. Nimrod and who worship on our son God. Nemame, so your moon goddess, Samaramis. Yes. The Ayobin back. Two quick so okay, I saw be the start to be seen and say, yes, name Mamma Maria, yesterday. Say yes, name Mamma Maria and Pa, yes, Mamma Maria, Maria, who yes, no, your him. No, your him. No, your him. No, be him out of this is a queen of heaven. Let Jeremiah chapter 44, verse number 44, verse number 14. Any verse number 16. 44, 16, any verse 22. Can say, one don't best omuntie Yankopon asem, one because what she become ama osoro hwema. Busa question say, or Baba near upon a queen of heaven. ya omo sia duhwam de ma no sa oba no na wo mo so na fe bia e de ayi ohema achahya ne se na ebo apa de mary din ato no mary no ohema
onye hema
e fa to de kan ne hwade
2 Corinthians 11 verse 4
dem ba kasa
na so obi be ka Yesu
me say obi ka say Yesu bi eye 25th December Yesu a eye Yesu foforo eni Bible yi mu tie de ye Psalm 22 verse 18 says wodim na de bi kan Yankopon asem no ho a ye de wo ha be dai e be kan ho na so yi asem bi firi mu nso a ye be yuta fafu Yankopon enkwan manim nti we ye serious asem e so bi say o kan Yesu bi a ye wo no sa nyum we se Mary ba no he was born on Christmas Day me pato e Bible musa
inu
o Bible musa
inu
wo de tie asem o
na so bi be ka Yesu foforo bi
enti so bi be ka Yesu foforo bi ho asem
ayen kan no ho asem
me say ye wo Yesu bi a omo na say ye won 25 December won anya de o Bible yi mu a sa omo san God ye omo de Yesu ato to Yesu foforo different Christ only Hana Yesu kai Matthew 24 verse 24 kan hwade and son of the kind memma sophobia propaganda sophobia me dada and a policy any Bible ma idea where it's a matter of salvation and whether life or death. Romans 8:27 na ke twa de ba de ayo wo enti Psalm 8:18 verse 4 say me mama monye de be masa kana wo onipa no utimu ni driver na driver careless wo kan wo say no na driver then was oye
o si
who the tie Bible
Matthew 24 verse number 20
the kind of crutch no me but me say me react to the reason behind it say bone 40% nipa nyina wo sepo no Saturday na me teach them we say eni ma pa he na kwa asori a asori dem ye koye nkoto dwanim e wo Nyankopon nim how many people and yes sir and now kwa asori uko nkoto dwanim they can say worship out here say and I make quiet praises and worship the word worship on actually say worship just a who ko nkoto get there bad there and oh eba ne sa there nyame asemu dika there oh say wa nkoto kra enya hwe enkoto anya hwe nkabonsam ka tire Yesu e wo look for verse 5 say okoto sore no a odi wiase nyina be dey na ansa na be ka say obi nkoto nsore na fa wiase nyina ma no ade ni nya obe sa ade ehia wo no wodi waja fa de nyina beto so yama nyame de anya hwe ba yama bonsam de wo ye okay iwie ma ko tu a kire wo ya ka say worshiper hwe Nyankopon aka enti eye mandatory by force open was away
yes
ya kasa worship anya so akogina ato aye nyumu that be worship means say o ko nkoto dwanim anya fa no worship no o ko to asore no wo de tie Bible I kind na na
Matthew 24 verse number 24 na Kristo atofo ne din fo atofo be sore
me pa chaw ya kasa o si Kristo de ba de
atofo
me pa to Yesu according to Bible ya mfa ne Kristo
yes
and the Bible say ye benya Kristo ade ba de atrofo me pa chaw Christ bay and ye de masaka na ho na Christ bay why no kofo no Christ na ya sia won 25th December no Christ bay the word Christ means anointed omo bosom no nso so to them Christos okra na mu use na Greek for bosom no omo so no to anointed because he is special to them and to Christ bay na ya won 25th December tell Mwani na ho Christ baya. Ya say Christ mass, Christmas, Christ dash mass. Christ bay. Fasha utim say Christ. Akoya say waka say driver.
Yes.
Nya ba ko for na driver.
Nyedi.
Ti say Christ massa or mo obi adin. Won kan Yeshua mass. Waka sa.
Debi.
Or say Christ what?
Mass.
And a Christ who mean there body. Anointed. This a comfort son young conform musing comfort where anointed priest. Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's almost a Christ master. Be a woman the wife black of my years, but a bosom for phobia. The same Christ no we use to the my years. No Greek you force use the same special word. At the moment so bosom chrono. Christos chrono. It has a said Christ ben and I saw for preaching. 25th December, I saw them say that day I am the birthday. I Christ Bay. I more 80 years say Christ to their body.
I say, the Christ atrofo.
Christ or dear body, you bring your false Christ. Quite.
And then you for sorry.
Near saying a deep for their body, atrofo. 80 cramofo, one more to me, Amadia Fossy, one more so turn Messiah, Mati. You bring your home with a pa. Ako Islam. Naba who said strategy of Roman Catholic and the same strategy na Islam
Yes.
Because Islamic religion was born time na Catholic
Yes.
AD 610 na Muhammad before the ban.
Yes.
Catholic says to Ruwiase AD 538. 538. Adibasi 610. Now, make sure the reason behind it. It is a ceremony, yes, what the Bible dear. Acquire say, Obi pass or child say, or no, your back. No, you so ban as another air fight. Or the Omo Bapa some of the Bible, no correct. I make us a mincho. Koran the Kutao as Cremonino. Shamoye. Because what the animal, ya did the bread. And the catcher will say, Adia, I was out here, Juma. I was so here. Muhammad Star, I shall say, oh, pretty message at the man, our Saudi Arabian, Omigitum Hasiano, Debbie. Woman in the fight at Pamono, and my Jane from Saudi Arabia, and by him, Medina, which I say for now Medina, Medina like Christopher.
Yes.
80 and Cramonium in Sembebrebe Honumua. Muhammad in Yafri Medina, because now full of Christians and now Honum. Tierney. Ude come out when I had it. And the young Semin Council said,
Christ atrofo de
no, and he said, who Kramoka said, what the Christo dear, no, I said, trying a Misa for beer. You're careful. Obi say yes or by any Messiah, you're careful. Eti Christmas, the Christ bay, and Mass, according to them. Almost say a service. Eti Christ ban and service. The enemy say yes, we didn't achieve the young 25th December. 2 Corinthians 11, verse 4.
2 Corinthians 11, verse number 4.
It's your Bible.
Let's remember Christopher from Dumasa.
Or say obi beka Christo me say e free samreiko asofo na ebe chire obekura Bible abeka Yesu awodan ahefa na Yesu ya den komisi ya na hefa na say ya 25th December
bino
and this Yesu Christ na mo say ya 25th December no where Christ for and Paul say so beka Christo foforo bi hu asam any chire sam yi Christo ya 25th December e Bible yi What I can't hear and I said, Christmas celebration spirit, if we not go on. Someone from Munya, and I said, me pato, ya we yes 25th December, and Jan fashion down point when I'm me pato asempa a young person. And it's a winner asempa fra, young free now go pass them you. I was so yet about there. I was so yet time. And not didn't tell me a case of we are software. Yes, you catch a Peter. I was John 21, verse 16. Say, "Debade, Sheminyan, who Sheminyan." At the ane, o Janya Diana. And I was a Uyo o Janya for who tried the man. A part of O Janya, or Imojana. Njana and man. Christmas, a Genian. Easter, a Genian. I dare use to find the Kai and Kayano. A specific. Luke 22 verse 14, Matthew 26 verse 26, 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 23. Was a communion when you will find their body and Kaya was often so until we. They usually can't say Fanya and Kaya, they do communion date here. I don't put me say communion in Ponem right their body. I have once in a year. Communion I have 14th of Aviv and a 14th of Nisan. Nisan a month a between March and April. Hona Nisan apie ne 14th every year. As Musana said, 14th of Nisan ebedura Al Jazeera eba hu dawru. BBC ba hu dawru. Fox News on ba hu dawru. De Yesu kan say yam fan kan no. Omu kan wasem. Na de omo ata omani asem say ayo omu nyame dia. 2 Corinthians 4 verse 3 say, "Bone for na wiase we dia ba de enyame." De nyame bia na chese de obo so bo asase o. Dabi It was say young people be yen careful. To you careful about teaching out here. Acts 17 verse 11. Say now was a blast away. Say something pretty way and one 25th December. December has I may go home. Has I interview be ya so for interview be because auntie don't go to one day. Mo branches and one trim because I was so for will be Jacoton yogurt.
Yes.
10 years and not on some I was so Jacoton their body. Yes. Nipani koya adwuma koya mesi amfa koya we amfa no akoya 3 months course no apa bible bia kura no apa dua bia asem yesof ubeti master class okramu ade chia so ye shake
Intimi.
we shake
Ensi.
hwe na ga sen kramu fo shake no obi am dala shake
Depi.
omusua ade papa sa de ohu mala you can mala omu kran kramu fo ne yom ntumo.
Yes.
According to Islam ye kasa malam ye teacher
Chere.
ye wo chere eyiro Quran no sa don be TV ye ndro no mu kra akwasa de agidifo kasa ye wo agidifo atrofo no sa no mu nso ye de ba de atrofo we ye sure so betima konkremu ne edi 1 week a we so ye malama na shake
Ensi.
Kristo ni nkwa na slave queen sakra na was evangelist kwa we sani bi sakra na was evangelist then no ma wo chere who chere det who preach there she what the Paul na the Paul no is like a king. Paul no what before Galatians Philippians chapter 3. Na ka the Paul no ti free na Yesu free no.
Depi. Philippians 3.
Ya ka so be a Pharisee ni ya. Matthew 23 try and say omuti Moses deba de akonya so. Pharisee ni enim the word of God. Na mo Paul mo problem ni say na omunyi Yesu deba de. Eni enti say obade Yesu wadie no by knowing Christ no omunim nyankopon asam from Genesis to Malachi da enti afen no obadia to me say nsam na atwa asam le kan no efamezia no ho but the word ne die omunim de da.
Yes.
Chapter 3 verse number 7.
Philippians 3. Verse number 7. Na so no ma anka ye memfaso no.
Was it nyama Paul sin ka ye ne mfaso no.
Kristo nti mebu na de hwede.
Kristo nti obu na do hwede.
Na so ampara. Me da so mebu no ma nyina ade hwede.
O da so bu ne ma nyina de ba de. Me o de yan fan ko verse 3 kra.
Was na ye ne twete twafo no.
Paul say yan ne twete twafo no.
Yeah, yesu nyakopon honhum.
Agidifo na esum nyankopon e wo honhum fam.
Wa ye ho Kristo Yesu.
Ne wo wa ho e wo Kristo Yesu.
Ye fa ye ho ento honam na so.
Paul say wa ba hu Yesu no wa mfa ne ho nye debe ento honam so.
E wo mu se ka me Paul so.
Senka oyi Kristo kura wo hu no na to nchen a enka Paul se wo no nso
me wo honam bibia me de ho beto so.
Wo se eba no Judaism mu anase Nyankopon Old Testament mu Nyankopon asem na Paul say our honam fam niam a odno be den ebeto so
Paul
say so obi nso say wa bin wo Bible ni mu obi be ho ne ho a Paul say wo obi enko de be ho papa
what he
hwe
twa no twete dey to no oche
Paul say Sadia Leviticus chapter 12 verse 1 kasa wo baba ma 8 days to no twete no o say the same thing ye ne fa mu je twa no twete dey to so enwotwe kwai
is that was your co Benjamin mu na
me ye fele Paul na Paul has now Paul preaching about the Lord that.
Yes.
But that's now on him Christ.
Yes. Why?
Into Banyamia said not Paul enim dada. The man for was sacred for this. Radio presenter was to a sacred. What they were presented, the man and the house of 3 months time was walk Bible school. Share. Walk yourself. What did you Paul? Quiet.
It was no time to tell that also.
They trying to touch that also much. Was it of free Israel as if from
Benjamin Busu
of free Abusiakua tribe back from Benjamin Busiakum.
Hebrew.
Was it or your Hebrew head about there? Said the Uchi Casamaya Santima Santin, and Cremunkrin was on way Hebrew with their body. Hebrew, the Bible.
I want
was it a Banyanko Pomra from one?
We are Farasi.
Pass why their body. Catch them as a pawn and baby, I used to share an hour have the Casai. When you meet someone from head to toe. But that said, Hong Kong man and Tias Binti, but the word didn't know him was it Emra from where their body. When you know, I got an upon a baby. Now, Moody, I'm a son of a testimony. Obi to one of Master Dana, Modi will be there soon. Then you're extra careful because baby, we are said, Juno. say why you go say obama bone for dadawa bone for so bed obedada me say so ma yesu kura say yesu o ma yesu birthday kwa so what to me so to me kura so me pacho Psalm 104 sorry Psalm 110 verse the number 4 up to 7 who the Bible
Psalm 110
me say yesu ya den kwapa Messiah no o de atemu dem I me dese oso man so odwan bi uti amanfo da so dwen se da ma yesu ba obey ne ho din hwe ya kan this 1 verse 7 or say asasum hwe ko nyina ba de be because say na wonim say yesu no wojewo no second time hu ne sao
yes
me pa cha kwai na bufu me pa o chaw ote wo say me pa o chaw mpa na ho na bufu oba ne say awena dijata no mercy oh whom about fast utrimusa the first coming the doing some mama for the budget to ban so join ya ku ojan na wie ni mo jan anya onwa adwuma na atem la betowa oh bra dan obebon nsem se wuti oxy fm no one sakra wo the Bible
Psalm
110 verse the number with the 4 to 7
verse 4
it's the Bible
what's the ready can tell
hwe nyankopon a oboss ro basa so kan tam a obetingino ose awurade akantam
no rendi no ho
santam wo ya oka e wo Messiah ne ho no onu ne ho da
we da pem sofo
yesu Messiah no ye enkopon yawe akantam se wo ye da pem sofo
o Melchizedek di bia so
wan di bia so
Melchizedek di bia so
wan di bia so
Melchizedek
medase Melchizedek di bia so enti bosa ya say yesu se oye da pem sofo no oye sofo according to wanya Melchizedek enyesa
yes
medase Genesis 14:18 Melchizedek na yesu ye ni debia no yahu ade bia we Old Testament near Hebrews chapter 7 who was Melchizedek what the time had
Genesis chapter 14
obama yesu birthday
verse number 18
na wa obama na pacho senka yesu birthday ehun ya wonyamesum mu enka bofo Gabriel na kede be ka che Mary say afibia make sure say obeka ndeba de na woda okaka ho mo de mo abosonsonfo no ansore na ya aboson nsore no omu na adam saa you pagan worshippers yes okay this same 2 verse 9 3 verse 9 was se wonim binimu a woka say we reader for na so munye de be na mo be de ba de Satan shia dan de ba de abusude Christmas eye Satan shia dan abusude ni bia aso dan bia Christmas de ahim bia no aso no yes Satan shia dan abusude ti so de wudi se ufunya me gi se wujai Satan abusude no wa aso dan ho wudi tie Bible
Genesis 14 verse 8
Jama Bible nkasa
na Salem hin Melchizedek
Salem hin Melchizedek
but the pan no go be
yes
Abraham
I don't think I yesu yes wo ye hene odi hene ewo ne bepo Zion so Jerusalem and Jerusalem no city of peace I don't think I say yes say the prince of peace and wayam Sam Melchizedek we no ne tipia so at that time ni ayi Jerusalem no pa ebaba da atia David found here na enyamaye ba na Melchizedek we ye juma Messiah be da achi no we ye ho juma we ye so Old Testament kan hade
na Salem hin Melchizedek
and
the pan no go sabre Abraham
we say Melchizedek on one Yesu a bintumi kan kire ho because Bible na nka was say Yesu no eye high priest according to who Melchizedek but one ka say on one Melchizedek Tisa wo cheche mu kire say Yesu no ane Melchizedek a no akotu ba bia na go kan say Yesu no ono ane hwan Melchizedek wo de kan ha de munia
na Salem hin Melchizedek
and
the pan go be sabre
what the Abraham ekwaje Lot na oba no Melchizedek ana Abraham de pan ni bobe sabre Abraham
no we so Yakopon sofo
na Sam Melchizedek we no we so Yakopon de ba de sofo kwai
no we share na say
ana we shira Abraham say
so Yakopon ye oso ni asase
so Yakopon no ye oso na asura no
ono na ni
shira enka Abraham
na insha na so
na
Yakopon
insha Yakopon
wode watamfo asha won
wode watamfo asha wonsa eti ha Melchizedek we ne shira Abraham say Yakopon emfa Abraham atamfo one ordinance say what then a town for either bay. I said the 9 I say. Me pa chow Hebrews 7 verse 1.
Hebrews 7 verse 1.
Me say o say yes kura obey dita what me say what's the san asemono. E je kan Colossians chapter 1 verse 15 go yin na. Wo so wonam Yesu na bo bibia. Eso for dio. Asaso dio. Any asase dio. Wonam Messiah say de ba de. And the boy. Ni e bon so de man no. Enti Yesu no why say figure mpa calculate ntumi ye debe emmo sa na wote What the can't have it.
Hebrews 7 verse 1.
With the master of what a comfort up high, bar prisoner, and the bar prophet. So the moment now that 22 December, now they abusun and the not jabosum drink, nanum, nasa abosum tadia in the name of Christmas. Now to them the baby, this and 14 verse 9. Bible say, what obeko to one and deba dear. And just say, kingdom na ewu, we are such a pack or say him or deba dear. Oh, honey. Near trial, one holy say, it be a Christmas celebration, Easter, Valentine as if we can be two from home. Now, I'm going to say, I can't trouble. See about
Hebrews 7 verse 1.
The Bible Casa.
Na Sam Melchizedek.
Sam Melchizedek can once a
Salem Hene.
I see yes, you are so according to Melchizedek and Melchizedek. Why you Salem Hene?
So soon Yakopon.
Why you autumn for Yanko point out dear body? As of
Abraham Kukuma him.
no, said you can Genesis chapter 14 verse 18 going. Now what's Eban? And Abraham Asia Melchizedek and Melchizedek Asia Abraham.
And so Abraham man I didn't know to
and Abraham a man a ding us dear body. Tight, quite.
As a
Or no, I telling him their body. The Casa yes, a high priest according to Melchizedek. I was say yes, king of righteousness because of that title. Quite. And watching so was such a dear body. I don't think yes, a Jerusalem. Our science Isaiah 9 verse 6, Prince of Peace, or yes, we get a body. And quite when you their body, when your body, into none from yes, not the mammy pan Mary. Because married had no final so, but yes, only none near Jai when you ask we move quite. Only another body. Melchizedek didn't fit yes, and I yes, I praise according to Melchizedek. On also any another body, and fit yes, only and consider body. Every yet the Melchizedek to one when you go for until yes, or was as or we are into a real way mono. Enya my na Yesu ho o ka me busam 8 verse 22 going yenya mo nti ade ade count day and night e benya week na nya year na da count AD ni BC ni ho ahwane no ade no na Yesu ho kura ansana ye yes ade no we ye dan na onya Yesu birthday tie ni ye pa enti je wo se wo ti ase na me ti ase ne say Christmas celebration no me pa to me ma assurance say mebohistory.com o ma de ba ko bi a kire o eye me se hwe ade aye ken o yourself na obufu kwa
yes
no cross na make kire o bana na wa ye no o bana na sa 18 years so fa hwan years no utugu a won to hwenwu
yes
atal sa the Christmas na kasa na en mane me okura Isaiah 30 ti asema Yesu kan yango pasam kan
Isaiah 30
ti Bible
verse 1
yeti go yango pasam Mercy Christmas 4th century AD. Amotna say no must yamfa abosom de because we are championing this earth. It however deceive Christo for say yamfa abosom ne man yamfa Christo de be embata ho yamfa na ada wo mo enu ani Constantine enu obi a or try say omo di nanim nu fighting against a Christo for no I was so back with new approach because over general a year Nero and a banning or Mangasankasa room and it's a one boy Christo for striking war on them AD 64 66 and what again na Titus so surrounded Jerusalem AD 70 almost fighting and invade the city at the microphone na kokoye yankwa SA city no and now so emperor Hydra time so almost try say we must be fighting and go bebe AD 117 at the Banti at the Bayard Bedru Emperor Diocletian. Emperor Diocletian so mu say what tell say oh boy yes di over Bible di kwana obekun. Eti Constantine ne papa aye friend Constantinius. On the buy and son Constantine ever. Constantinius and was no way. Constantinius through one man Constantine Bayern. On will be changing how you be fighting a Christopher. One of the policy said, "Won't even beat you, woman. Just join them. Somebody might beat you, woman, and can give titles to me, and can Diocletian to me. It is new approach a constant and the buy and say, or promise Christopher leaders and say, or back because at that time, not Constantine, and who we are said, but not on Timon conquer Rome. But no Turkey, Istanbul, and Oru. And where said that be or fighting against or him and Rome. That time, Emperor and old Emperor Maxentius. And to no Constantine. And Contumpo Cassia will tell Riase to deceive a Christopher. And I'm a wo and then what you saw themselves was to be used to Cassiada. What you saw themselves with the Christmas. What you saw themselves with the Easter. What you saw themselves with the Valentine. Million much over there. Because in fact, Constantine and the decade the first him. All Baba against Maxentius. I'm for 2 minutes in this and you said, my name voices here because Thomas and I am mantel. All Baba against Maxentius, I will Roman. Obi Abakwa o consult to gods. Rome was the same thing. Oba consult to gods. Anti Constantine, I say. And I'm say, a Christopher di Yesu di I was so the Yesu. Eba na di nti. Also who do see beer na cross a we appear cross at them. No say voice say by this you will conquer. And unti as well as for against Maxentius, I will Rome. Omo esel nanimu no omo ye cross eto animu na no achi o ka kire asofo ne se wotimi kọ ekọkọ capture Maxentius e wo Rome no oje wiase yin atumi nu a ono ankasa ebaba join ne asoro no na wo na ye kuma Christopher na ye say de ohen ne se wodi nkunimu a ye nkun bie ma sanko ni beje but na adwena wo Constantine trim eye different. Onim says salvation Constantine hu ye no was say Christ na yiche na no kra the son God because a son God na ne kasai but or that say a Christ na ne kasai onim enti sa kon no AD 312 na kon no o ba be ko Rome ho no na bridge bi da enso bi so river Tiber ti sa river no bridge na das ya fa no Marvin Bridge eso no mo kon tokwa no Constantine wo akire ena Maxentius James wo atwa mo kon bridge ne so enti Constantine e conquer Maxentius no capture the whole world oba ye pe AD 313 and oba shambra bi ya fa no Edict of Milan sa Edict of Milan no says e mo bi ankum Kristo ni bia bieu na Kristofo ani age. After that obi a wo say what odo ho ba do na Kristofo no afei ne 7th March ekoduri AD 321 na Constantine at the class say we are seeing na first day of the week ensibo enfankai ne son God no tieniye enti one a Kristofo ampanifo koye meeting na ono bosomsom ni Constantine na ye chairman e wo meeting nim tieniye sa ayinu ja fa no Council of Nicaea tiaye sa Council of Nicaea no ebaso AD 325 no mo yes am meeting no ano no almost the same name pidi be wura Kristosom no obi abosomsom na ye chairman e wo program no so e be na favor Christ enti after that 4th century na mu 336 AD next after the declaration of 321 AD no next meet a council e ba ya e ma omo change Sabbath they call Sunday no a council of Laodicea and man was saying canon number 9 and the change of Sabbath to Sunday enti memenda for na mo say council of Nicaea mo say o ma the son of council of Nicaea there be na Sabbath in camp Sabbath change no e was council of Laodicea AD 364 and mo ye and man mo say no number 9 the change of Sabbath to Sunday. Because a Roman for the sun God, the same sun God, the birthday and 25th December. No, and the Constantine, yeah, so about joining at them. No, Diabos will never be good. This a Constantine, our boss of my friend, some metra, yeah, oh dear, Tria, Roman for friend Jupiter. I was said about the better of Christ on the internet, what to say, a Christ. And the boss of Cassian birthday, no, a Christmas, or many years ago, about the Abatamo. But said your 1 Corinthians 10 verse 19 ka say sa for there na wo mo bon mo haya ahobon ye nyankopon enti we die sima we history.com on website enya me amade history.com for there no kro e ba ko pemebo an wati So by Jedi another fan now for the bra. And will be on a choice.
Christmas tree at Rockefeller Center. It's hard to imagine a Christmas in New York without it. But like many Christmas traditions, the tree is a relative newcomer to the Christmas story. Only since the early 19th century has the decorated tree been an important part of the American Christmas celebration.
It's a natural attraction to that which lived.
We've all heard the biblical origins of Christmas, but societies had been celebrating light and birth in the darkest days of winter centuries before Jesus walked the earth. In the Norse country, this winter celebration was known as Yule. Around December 21st, the winter solstice, fathers and sons dragged evergreens indoors as reminders of life and set logs on fire as a promise of good fortune. Ancient Rome had its own December festivals. 1 week before the winter solstice, Romans began celebrating Saturnalia, an orgy of food and drink in honor of Saturn, the god of agriculture. Some Romans, particularly soldiers and government officials, also worshipped Mithra, the sun god. It is believed that to this small but powerful sect, the birthday of Mithra, December 25th, was the holiest day of the year. By the 1st century AD, pagan traditions were being challenged as Christianity took hold throughout the empire. But Christ's birth date remained a mystery, since the Bible doesn't mention exactly when he was born. Since pagan Rome already celebrated the birth of Mithra on December 25th, it is theorized the church adopted the date as the birth of the Christ child. In the 4th century, the church made it official, declaring December 25th as the feast day of the Nativity.
The battle also why not declare the church. The church. James 4 verse 12. Your time on that's one answer. James 4 verse 12. Uti documentary history.com official documentary where you need to find out for more obia institutional or research about history. Said the assembly and worker. What the opera or trust Encyclopedia Americana, Encyclopedia Britannica, Encyclopedia Encarta, and I said Catholic Encyclopedia. What the pagan origin of Christmas, and I said article Christmas. It was check it. And that's International Standard Bible Encyclopedia. What check here? Christmas, Efrabu Sunsum.
Yes.
Tia can't wait to now someone tells you. I wasn't. Get no credit about it. I can't read the meaning.
James 4 verse 12.
Bible said.
Also, back for them that chef for.
Yankopon say. Oba kupa we Yankopon one de ba de. One yam brasefo.
Back for so no etemufu.
Ono na osembrenti. Ono na se wo sana wa nisu a obegyina so de abu aten atemu dem. Ti hayi. Ntimbato Christmas no. Why and say
The church.
The church.
In the 1st century AD, pagan traditions were being challenged as Christianity took hold throughout the empire. But Christ's birth date remained a mystery, since the Bible doesn't mention exactly when he was born. Since pagan Rome already celebrated the birth of Mithra on December 25th, it is theorized the church adopted the date as the birth of the Christ child. In the 4th century, the church made it official, declaring December 25th as the feast day of the Nativity. The church knew it could not outlaw the pagan traditions of Christmas, so it came to accept them. The evergreens traditionally brought indoors were decorated with apples, symbolizing the Garden of Eden. These apples would eventually become Christmas ornaments.
Abusuya, utie history.com. One documentary abuya. Abusuya. Debia ye kre.
Yes.
Ese Christmas no. Every abusunsumuna. Roman for ye okasa the church ye Catholic church we mo mpolutu ne ma ya no mo de be sie mu. De be da nipa. Eya abosonsom, da so abosonsom. Eni Bible nim. Nti e wase ye ma wu no kro na gbomu no. Isaiah 30, yenye fast ne fanye adwuma we from. Isaiah 30 verse 1. Ye ta mona so an sa. 30 verse 1, 17 verse 1.
Isaiah 30.
Na yen hwa de se ade ni Bible mu na wo se ubedi a Nyankopon se ona em na sefo o se mbra we o hefa se ye ni Christmas. Ite Bible.
Isaiah 30 verse 1.
Verse 1.
What's 1 year?
1 year.
And Matthew 4.
And Martin Yankopon Swatria.
And then Yankopon
Yankopon Kasa.
When they were there, Agent 27.
Yakasa Agent 2 some Akoye council Mako Gina Aqua Boom council I asked when I cancel young fat 25th December. Any years I would die at the Yaboson some Leviticus 12 verse 29 say, no my young fat Abosma dear crown wine you be mad the same and any man Yankopon at the Yama bosom. And to Asafona say ye beyo Umatina Miss Watia to be follow Asafona a Wawasama, who be follow Yankopon Swa, a once wasama can't have it.
Was it 1 year?
1 year.
And Matthew 4.
Martin Miss Watia. Yamina Casano.
When they Agent 27.
One moment see a meeting Cassan for 25th December, yes, I would die. Name free Yankopon or say, Omuquats Nasico Pam say, Yanka say, we used to December. Now, home my Bible, not so yes and nam.
Say what the Pammy ever come.
A very actually, no more I was on so many old Bonnet Aka on Pratch, and what I was on Sumasako, young one, what I was on Sumasaka, would you know, what I was on Sumasako, you say to know. Ah. 17 verse 1. What the kind of
Isaiah 17 verse 1.
I kind.
The master will never you.
Isaiah 17 verse 1. 10 verse 1 rather. Isaiah 10 verse 1.
Isaiah 10 verse 1.
See Bible.
1 year.
1 year.
What was I said?
Bible say one moment there bad there. Christmas ni pa said there was one year 1 hour was I said there a who.
Ne atwere for our twere musu.
Me pato Christmas e musu nti abre say Christmas mbla na e musu no de bag ya o me ba ta nyame som ho. Ti when I say na go problem. Ye me ka Christmas tree no maka Christmas there. Sa Christmas tree no. E ya de a eni nyame asem mu. E ya abosom ade da. Ti mamen kan no ntanye sa bronya dua no. Me pato 1 Kings 14 verse 22. Bronya dua Jeremiah 10. Near mono fast. Near kan infantile. You can't buy in high one because you can't we are wa say asem no e wo Bible nim. Decide bronya dua no besin 24 no. And also ya abosom ni bi oton. Nton say ye bom pa ye mpo akamfo Nyankopon a yetumi ka say ye mfa Nyankopon asedan koma ensuo. Enua de ba de abosom. E kire say ye wo enua eno so ya abosom ni bia. Tetebe nyina na wo ho. Enwa no modern Christmas tree kan ha de.
1 Kings 14 verse number 22. The Judah everyday ni so
Judah eye Nyankopon ni so bone. Ana odi ni nkuntwi etie Nyankopon.
Asem de won Germany.
Asem de edikanfo ni nyina ye no.
Also yes onsomia.
Na omu kwaye nsonsomia altars be omu siesie se omu beye San God ne enua nyame no omu ye sonsom ya kwa ana omu ye edum enua dum nso kwa abosompo enkoko
ensonso nyina so
ewo ensoso mia so kwa
omu ye enua from
omu saye enua de abade eno bi na mo baba da kodi trees 24 no me pato Jeremiah 10 verse 1
Jeremiah 10 verse 1
Israel fie Yankopon say uyo Kristo ni atie ni Christmas tree no say Yankopon say ni amanaman no kwan fa so kwasepo wo mo abosom no hwe na wan fa meye wo nyamesu mensu amanaman kwan me pa chao osoro asafo ene osoro mu nsanchare hwe na ho fie ama wo mu
na amanaman ni esuro no
eno ye amanaman no ene tu sa ne ma no ho anamon
na aman na trum de
enti 25th December na omode ye ma San God no aman na trum ade no ehudie
na edua no
Christmas tree na ya wo mu kotwa ne dua ne nso
edua a wo twa no kwa
edua ye kotwa ne 24 for kwayem kwai odumfo no be decorate say dua no omu wi a no omu de enade de gold ade ne nkania de abom
no omu de dete
omu wi a omu de gold nyema drodra edua no no omu sa de sika asese ho omu wi a omu de nadoa be volleyball ba bia na aye stiff kwai
de be na mpa
sa de be ya empane enti esihu a aye se efare afom ka moto bi kwai wankasa enso enipa na pede Christmas tree no edeko anu antimi fa ne pentu anamon enti we gidi ne dia wo say hweye na wan fa ho anto so hwe what kind of 2 Kings chapter 17 verse 7 going up to 9 and near the northern kingdom Israel Yankopon ede wo say e ba wo so Assyria eba be fa wo mo no ebi ni say na omusa asom asora enua tienie unya adaje ye time aso unya adaje a no makan no watie bi tini yesi sponsors jumadi no na yenya enough time fan church ensemu na yente ne ma se yie enti sa a Christmas tree da ko tini nyina no eye part of abosonsom yenya careful ya no asi eni Bible mu peyi ye din kan preach last Wednesday say oh Yesu nsha na ukọ ya onu wo problem Yesu ya ngono 25th December empo ya ngono around December December mpo Bible mpo no enye last month of the year, a 9th month. Unya botre kan Zechariah 1:7 and 9:7:1. Obeti as how a month na etie. Ye de mosi e wo ha. Enti ye de sew se, hweye e na abosom na fore bode na na ada. Ye di kan church mu da danti. Enne de na wonwene ho no, na ye san so de bra wo se mo ni na ho. Na afa Yesu fufuo bi ama me da da. Obedi amankwandi san so na market ba afo nso e wo ha. Asafo na Messianic Faith Salvation Assembly. Messianic Faith Salvation Assembly. Ye de nyankopon ma asam de bra wo no. Me pa chaw dwumadie no opeso so yasane opeso ni etu anamon ye wo Accra type for Mr. J ensun dan hono ma tema community 5 children park nso obehu ye ho opeso ni etu anamon ni esu ade se de beye na bohu no koro kwan ni yia the numbers in the 0247 947812 0247 947812 0247 947812 and 0273 568-777 0273-568-777. Yes, always we not DJ Ocha and to us all. I know SC. Ewa.